stress the safety angles of these drivers of these strange-looking machines. They're capable of scorching from a standing start to over 180 miles an hour in just 8 seconds. Dragsters, they call them, yet it literally looks like backseat driving. It's a sport in the best of extravagant American traditions and is even more popular than baseball. Each machine costs around £5,000 and the engine has only 23 minutes racing life. Costs all that and you still need a push to get started. Motorcycle dragsters don't come any cheaper either because the fuel still costs £8 a gallon. British enthusiasts recently had a preview of the American hot rod specialists when they took part in the first drag racing festival. Curious thousands turned up to see the machines which have no brakes, little steering and even less suspension. Our car theme seems to have come just a little off course, yet who can say that this won't be the craze to succeed stock car racing? It's certainly safer. There aren't any brakes, but a trailing parachute does the job instead. But you try bailing out of this excitement.